Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, a service technician for Advanblack, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video on a brand new product that we just came out with. Today I'm going to be showing you the waterproof speaker lid covers from Advanblack. Now this is going to come in a variety of colors, which we'll go over here shortly. Now these lid covers will work on any flat style speaker lid that's on the market. It'll work on any of the 5x7s, the 6x9s, or the dual 6x9 lids that are on the market right now. They will not work on any stand-up style speaker lid like the 7.7s or the 8 inches. It has to be a flat style speaker lid for these to work. On the outside here we have waterproof marine grade material, and on the inside we have a nice soft plush material so it won't scratch or paint when these are on. Now, these are perfectly cut and contoured to the flat style speaker lid, so you don't have to worry about the wind flopping and slopping these around and beating them on your lids while you're riding. On the inside here you'll see two elastic tabs, which I'll show you in the installation here in just a second. These attach to two parts of the inside of your lid. When you're done using them, you just simply roll them back up just like that. You can actually fold it over, make it even smaller, and put that right down in your saddlebag or your tour pack. And as of right now, they will come in 5 colors. They will come in this orange, a dark blue, a dark red, a dark green, and of course black. I'm going to pull the camera over here and we're going to show you how to install them. Now it's very easy to tell which one is left and right. You're going to have those two tabs in the middle that hook on the inside. So if you turn the cover to where the tabs are on the inside, then you look for the notch right here for the handle. Just for example, if we try to put the wrong one on, we've got the tabs to the inside, but you can clearly see right here there's no notch for that handle. Grab the other one, pull it up here, got the tabs to the inside. Now we have a notch for the handle that goes under the handle like that. You want to slide this onto the front like that. We're going to pull this over the rear. And then you'll see on the One Touch hardware on the inside, we've got a tab here and a tab here with a screw in it. We're going to pull this over and pop that on to the tab. It is going to be a little bit tougher to close your lid now because you do have material going through this side and this side. So we're just going to push down and close our lid. Now they're secured on the bike and you can actually ride with them just like this. So that's it, the brand new speaker lid covers from Advanblack. Like I said, you can get them in the 5 colors back here. Cut, stitch to fit, heavy duty stitching, waterproof marine grade material on the outside, nice and soft on the inside so we don't scratch the paint on the lids. If you want to get your hands on a set of these, make sure to check down below for the link. The first 3 days after we drop this video, you can get them through our Advanblack dealers. After that, we'll have a product link down below, take you straight over to the website where you can get a set. If you have any questions or comments on this, leave it in the comments section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. I'm gonna get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.